Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can easily add variants in my Shopify. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be here in your store and then just simply click on all products. And let's say that I have a product here, right? What you want to do is just scroll down below, and you can see inventory, okay, and we see variants here. So let's click on it. We can have color here, and we can go black, red, blue. Another option, I can change it to size. Let's click save. Right now we have all the combinations here that we can have, and preview it. Color red, size 44, and this is pretty much how we do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yep, have a great day and goodbye.